In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the cat or where to find the big extra-dimensional cat in one's human. So the first thing you want to do is open up your map and teleport over here to Dadsville, okay? So Dadsville is located over here in Dayton Wetlands. You can simply press and hold down F to teleport over here. Now once you're here, the cat will be located somewhere around here. Now I just checked a second ago and it's been spawned over here behind this house. As you can see, it's over here. You want to then click the F key and you will secure the big cat. Now as you can see, it says failed to secure, and if that happens to you, all you have to do is simply go at it again and press F again, and hopefully, just like I did right now, you will obtain the enormous cat. Now if it's not over here at this position, just look around the house, okay? I've managed to get it earlier over here at this part of the house, and I've even seen people get it inside the house. So basically, you just want to walk through this door over here. Let me open up my light. There we go. And you want to open up, you want to walk up the stairs, and then inside here, in this room, back room over here, is where you can also find the cat. Now, these are all the locations where people have found the cat before. And yes, if it's not there, if it's not anywhere around this house, what you want to do is simply come back later because it spawns randomly, and if a player takes it, you may not be able to get it, and you may have to wait a little bit for it to spawn again. Now, once you've gotten yourself a cat, of course, obtaining it is the first thing you have to do. Now, the second one is to actually get it inside your territory or inside your base, house, whatever you want to call it. So, right now I'm just teleporting to my territory, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. In a second, there we go. What you want to do is enter build mode, press B on your keyboard, right click and go inside facilities and function facility. In here you want to craft an isolated securement unit, okay? And this is very simple. As you can see, it only costs a few metal scraps, ingots and glass, and then you want to place it down in your territory wherever you like. You want to then walk up to the unit, press F, and then in here you'll see all the different deviants you have, okay? So as you can see, I have 2 of these cats now. What you want to do is press right click on this cat, and there we go. As you can see, it's now been placed in there, and if we press F on this facility, you'll see that it's currently very happy, and I'm going to even refill it so it gets even more happy. There we go. And now what this does is accompanies its owner to sleep to make sure that they're fully energetic the next day. Now it automatically activates when deviant power is greater than 30. Now let me find this cat over here in the nearby area. Because there we go, it's over there. As you can see, it's just simply walking around, and it will help you once you go to bed with your character. So that's pretty much it. That's how to get a cat, the big extra-dimensional cat in one's human. Now, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please help me out as well by subscribing to this channel.